Welcome beauties and gents. Today we're going to be diving into hot takes that have been stirring up the industry. We'll be doing a little double feature situation. First, we'll get into med spa hot takes, and then we'll pivot to a med spa that breaks the mold. Hint, it's BeautyFix Medspa, where you can rest assured that you're getting the best care in all of the big city. And expanding. Okay, let's get into the video. Hot take number 1. Cosmetic procedures are taking over Hollywood and our lives. Are med spas just adding fuel to the fire, or is there more to the story? Let's find out. We're seeing so many cosmetic procedures being pushed onto the masses with the wrong messaging, and it's affecting body types and self-esteem negatively. Most celebrities and influencers don't disclose what they get done, so we're left thinking, why don't we look like that? And what can I do to look like that? And then you go to Colombia and get some whack procedure, and it doesn't really turn out the way you expected it to. Here at BeautyFix, you give us an aesthetic goal, and we create a plan tailored towards you that gives you a full customization of fillers, skin treatments, body treatments that will help you achieve the ultimate aesthetic goal you're looking for. Because here at BeautyFix, we're about making you look like the best version of you. Hot take number 2. Med spa regulations, or lack thereof, have some people shaken in their boots. So how do we raise the bar and give you the safest experience possible? Knowledge. Our credible and talented providers use the safest techniques that have been taught to them by our clinical director and one of America's top 100 injectors by Merz Aesthetics, Anita Wolf. And all of our products are FDA approved and delivered directly from the manufacturer. Be aware that there are med spas out there that are using cheap and illegal product. Is it getting hot in here, or is it just me? Oh, and hot take number 3. There's a rising trend in cheaper alternatives to medical treatments and hack DIY jobs. Are celebs and med spas pushing us to go under the knife when it's not safe, or are treatments just too expensive? With a wide variety of financing options, we can help you get you what you need. The employees here at BeautyFix work hard to encourage critical thinking and awareness for our clients when it comes to considering cosmetic procedures. We do this by only showing genuine and real patient experiences on all of our social media. Roll the footage.
I'm very pleased with my facial. My skin feels a lot more hydrated, but it's not oily. It just feels like it's glowing and it's hydrated.
It was almost like art, the way she was just sculpting the face. And she was so into it. She was like so close. I was just like, okay, she really into this, and she did an amazing job. You see, I'm back for number 2. Who boyfriend I'm still now?
I'm here at BeautyFix. I just got my lips done. It was great. I love them. I will be here again to get other things, of course. I'm like, check these babies out. Honey, there's levels. BeautyFix.
And we have the dream team. All of our staff goes through training with our clinical director of training, Anita Wolf, who was named one of America's top 100 injectors by Merz Aesthetics. Check out the video at the top right corner of the screen to watch a behind the scenes video on our one and only Anita Wolf. By our staff going through training with Anita, we can ensure you are getting the safest experience possible. And we'll be delivering the BeautyFix experience every time at every one of our locations for every one of our clients. And that's a wrap. We've talked about a lot of controversies and delivered a lot of hot topics. Which ones do you agree with? And have we steered clear of any of these labels? Let us know in the comments down below, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye BeautyFix babes. Mwah.